Ever tried fitting a spaceship into a mailbox? That's us, squeezing revolutionary AI into real estate marketing. This Ad Creator AI could make you more than $250,000. It crafts perfect real estate ads, targeting the right audience and their pain points in, get this, just one click. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. So you're not generating good leads from your real estate ads, right? Well, with this Ad Creator AI, it's like trading your old skateboard for a rocket. Fast, efficient, and just awesome. Here's the science bit. Our Ad Creator AI isn't just smart. It's like having Einstein and Picasso geeking out on ChatGPT with your marketing team. Crafting audience personas? As easy as pie. Which, by the way, our AI can't eat. Why struggle with bad ads when this Ad Creator AI can create awesome ones? Imagine a world where your ads are so targeted, it knows what your audience wants and speaks directly to them. A billboard says, "I reach thousands." Ad Creator AI whispers, "I reach the right ones." It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Our Ad Creator AI understands everyone from the suburban home sellers to the urban investor. You're not just throwing darts in the dark, you're hitting bullseyes in broad daylight. But don't just take my word for it. Our clients have seen their leads skyrocket faster than a cat video goes viral. Real results, real smiles, it's the real deal. Let's take a peek at the masterpieces this Ad Creator AI conjured up. These aren't just ads. They're tickets to your dream real estate outcomes. Selling a home, it's like a magnet for offers. This HELOC ad appeals directly to homeowners' aspirations, turning equity into possibilities. Inspire renovations with style. This ad captures the transformative power of a well-planned remodel. This solar panel ad shines a light on sustainable living and energy savings. Lawn envy. This ad makes every homeowner want to up their lawn game, with services that turn yards into oases. Bugs be gone. This ad tackles pest control with a mix of humor and expertise, offering peace of mind and a pest-free home. Facing tough times? This ad offers a helping hand, providing solutions with sensitivity and expertise. All of these aren't just ads, they're powerful tools, tailored to specific needs and dreams. Our Ad Creator AI is your ticket to captivating leads with targeted and effective advertising. So, what are you waiting for? Jump aboard with LikelyAI and let our Ad Creator take your real estate marketing out of this world. Let the adventure begin. Click below. Your free trial awaits.